What's up guys, this is Deepak Bangar from Profitable Traders, and today we are going to see what are those three key qualities. If you don't have these in you, then it is impossible to become successful at stock market trading. This is in continuation with our stock market losses reasons series which I have posted on this channel. I'm giving the link in the I button above. If you haven't watched, I highly suggest you watch all the videos in this series where we discuss why 90% of the traders they lose money in the stock market. See, it is important to know what makes people lose money, and if you stop doing those things, you are already won half of your battle on becoming a profitable trader or an investor in the stock market. So let's get started in this video. The first factor is the lack of discipline. Discipline is an integral part of success of any successful person, and trading is not an exception. It is important to follow the rules of the trading system that you are using. If you don't have the discipline to follow the rules, then what happens is you tend to break the system, the rules of the system, and ultimately it results in unorganized approach with respect to stock market analysis and investing or trading. And when there is no organized approach, when there is indisciplined approach, it is easier to get lost in this vast jungle of stock market. And trust me, there are lots of predators who are already there to take the money from your trading account to their trading accounts. So it is important to stay disciplined. Second thing is the lack of belief. What we have heard is those stories of either extremes of failure or extremes of success in the stock market, and majority of them actually they are failures only. And when we try to experiment with stock market with this kind of beliefs, where we don't treat it as a business, we treat stock market as a gambling or satta, and when you don't have a conviction, it is next to impossible to make money in the stock market. So lack of belief in the stock market, lack of belief in yourself. If you don't believe that you can become a successful person in trading or investing, how can you become one? Lack of belief in the trading system or the trading strategy that you are using, lack of belief in your trading mentor. All these things, what they lead to is the lack of conviction in your approach and your execution in trading, and this causes losses to the people. The third important factor is the lack of patience. See, it is said, there is a very famous quote: stock market is a place of transfer of wealth from impatient people to patient people, and this has got a deep meaning inside it. Patience is a very key attribute that is required for success in stock market trading or investing. And if you don't have patience, then what tends to happen is you book profits too early, or you enter into those trades out of hurry or impatience. If you don't have patience, then you will find it really difficult to bear the losses which normally happen during the drawdown phases of a trading system. And when this happens, impatient people, they tend to start to look for another system, switching to another trading strategy, or perfecting their existing trading strategy to the extent that they finally end up breaking the system. So these are the three main factors which are related to a trader, which are responsible for losses to the most of the traders. And if you want to become successful, you need to develop these qualities of patience, then believing in yourself, in your ability, in your trading system, in your trading strategy, trading mentor, and the stock markets in general. And you need to be disciplined to follow the rules of your system. I hope you found this information useful. If you liked what I shared, I suggest you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with people whom you think this information can be useful. I thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a safe and profitable trading with peace of mind.